Hey everyone, thanks for watching Geeksvana. Today we're going to be looking at cheap ND filters for your Osmo Pocket and whether they're up to the task. Today's video is not sponsored, but the links in the description are affiliate links which when clicking on helps our channel a little. So let's take a look. Okay, so the filters are branded as Niwa and they come in a pack of 3, 4 and 6. This is a pack of the 3 filters which retails at around £23 or $30. This is how they came in from Amazon, wrapped in a branded plastic bag. Okay, open them up and there is the usual little carry box which you would expect from filters. There are the filters themselves, which are magnetically held in place both in the case and on the Osmo Pocket itself. Each filter has little indents on each side to help you apply and remove the filters from the Osmo Pocket. Okay, let's take a look at some footage captured with and without each of the filters. It's a lovely sunny day, so I popped down to a beauty spot to film some comparisons. The Osmo Pocket is in auto mode for all settings, just to give an even view. Here is the Osmo Pocket without any filter attached. And here it is with the Niwa ND4 on. And the ND8. And finally, ND16. Next, I changed the location to some active water with the sun interacting with wet rocks, etc. Here is just the Osmo Pocket. And here it is with the ND4 filter. ND8. Finally, the ND16. So for me, I am very pleased with these ND filters and I will continue to use them. There is a link in the description to both the US and UK Amazon sites for this particular product. Now, a few months ago, I flew my drone at a former nuclear weapons storage facility, the former RAF Barnum. To view the video, click here. Thanks everyone, and see you in the next video.